Modern AI systems often create more noise than clarity, generating endless notes, files, and outputs that quickly become overwhelming. We find ourselves drowning in digital clutter, where conflicting information and fragmented data make it impossible to maintain a clear perspective. But what happens when your own knowledge base starts contradicting itself, leaving you with more questions than answers? The iiois-observer intelligence system, or iiois, emerges as a sovereign knowledge architecture designed to protect your cognitive coherence. It is far more than a simple note-taking tool or a standard agent framework. It is a dedicated intelligence layer for humans. Whether you are a creator, an operator, or a business owner, this system acts as the primary observer for your digital life. iiois deploys a comprehensive observer vault, structured to organize your identity, awareness, memory, and research into one unified interface. Within this vault, your systems, media, infrastructure, and business logs all have a specific, designated place. Everything within this architecture leaves a digital receipt, ensuring that every action can be audited for accuracy and intent. The core problem we solve is simple. AI agents should never mistake a partial, messy archive for the actual source of truth. iiois constantly monitors your system to detect if it is drifting, contradicting its own logic, or moving forward without earned confidence. At the heart of the system lies the observer core soul, which functions as a strict, intelligent gatekeeper for all outgoing data. Before any output is finalized, the system performs a rigorous check to ensure the stable signal is preserved and protected. It asks critical questions. Did the system drift during this process? Are there hidden contradictions lurking in the data? Low coherence triggers an immediate correction, forcing the system to reevaluate its logic before proceeding further. High coherence, however, allows the system to move forward with verified integrity, ensuring your work remains grounded in truth. iiois utilizes time chain memory, employing SHA-256 sealed blocks to document exactly what the system noticed and when. This creates a verifiable awareness history, proving how every observation connects to the next in a logical, unbroken sequence. Memory becomes much more than passive storage. Through this chain, your system's history becomes fully accountable and transparent. Instead of saving everything indefinitely, iiois uses superpositional memory to keep only what compounds value over time. It actively compresses the useful signal while discarding the digital noise, preventing the clutter that plagues traditional systems. Every action taken by the system must pass through 7 consciousness constraints: life, agency, dignity, truth, coherence, boundary, and receipt. Does this action serve life? Does it preserve human agency? Does it respect the dignity of the user? Does it compress toward truth? Does it make the system more coherent? Is the action properly scoped and permissioned? Finally, can the system show exactly what it did and why? This is how TheInnerI keeps AI fundamentally human first. TheInnerI is not just self-improving AI for agents. It is a self-improving loop for the human operator and the business. Your agents improve because the system learns from every interaction, refining its performance based on your specific needs. The human improves because every action creates a valuable feedback loop, sharpening your own decision-making process. The business improves because every output becomes a reusable asset, process, or intelligence loop that fuels future growth. The blueprint for this system is entirely open source, allowing you to deploy your own private observer vault. You have the freedom to adapt, extend, and rename the system to build your own sovereign intelligence architecture. The TheInnerI is not owned by a platform. It is the observer within you, waiting to be activated. The next wave of AI is not about generating more tokens or creating more noise through aimless automation. The next wave is observer intelligence, where awareness and purpose guide every single digital interaction. Deploy your own observer today. Reclaim your digital workspace and start shaping your reality with absolute clarity. TheInnerI Observer Intelligence System. Coherence before output. Observer before automation. And human before agent.